Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about count and countif functions in Excel. So countif function is a mixture of two functions. One, as the name suggests, counting, and the other one says the condition. If what will say the condition. So count. So what is the range that you want to count? So from here to here. Next, if condition, we are giving a criteria. So I want to count this identifier in the total data set. So here we have 3. So this identifier has repeated thrice in the data set. If you see, it has repeated thrice. It is reported in A2, A5 and A7 cells. So let us do something bigger, which is very important in our day-to-day work. Okay, so the requirement is um, this 7110, which we have seen just now, is reported thrice. So at the first instance, we have to write it as unique. In the second instance, we have to write it as duplicate. Okay, as we have just 15 number of records, we can write it manually, but imagine we have a data till some lakhs of records. So how do we do then? We definitely has to approach with a formula. Okay, so I'll tell you now. The trick is we have to combine two formulas here. One is if and the other one is count if. So as we discussed earlier, count if will ask for a range. Okay, now I am taking the range and I am just freezing this. And what is the criteria? And what is the criteria here? I have to search this identifier among the whole data. So if it repeated more than once, then if it repeated only once, then it is unique. If it repeats more than once, then it will be treated as duplicate. Easy. So first time when it reported, it is unique. Just drag the formula down. Now you can find, let us see this. This is a duplicate because it is reported earlier in the A6 row. Easy, right? So this formula will help us a lot in our day-to-day work. Hope this video will help and thank you for watching this video. Bye.